2, 1, go!
And we are off for qualification match number 87. Starting us off, Robo Jackets lining up, quickly able to place a hatch panel on the lower level of the rocket for red. 1619 trying to do the same for the ship for the Blue Alliance. And you know what that means. It's now time for the teleoperated period. Robo Jackets quickly placing a second hatch panel on the lower level of the rocket for the Red Alliance. 1610 immediately crossed the line and knows that they need to play defense up against 3538, who are currently ranked number 10. They know that they need to stop that teal machine from scoring as many points as they are capable. Bedford Express, another red robot here on this alliance, is lining up. They were able to grab a quick hatch panel from their human player station. They need 2 more hatch panels on their rocket to be done with hatch panels. They've got 1 more down. Their partner, the Y team, quickly able to place another cargo into the ship for the Red Alliance as well. We have just under 1 minute and 20 seconds left in this match. Team 107, Team Robotics, lining up. They're working on placing another hatch panel on the front of the cargo ship for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, 177, Bobcat Robotics, is over halfway done with the rocket. They're almost done with the second level. They just need to add 2 more hatch panels and 2 more cargo, and they are done. 50 seconds left in the match. Robo Jackets lining up, trying to place another hatch panel, even up against Blackwater Robotics, who are playing some really tough defense up against our Red Alliance. However, because Blackwater Robotics is so preoccupied with playing defense up against Robo Jackets, Bedford Express has been left to their own devices, and they are now 1 cargo away from completing a rocket, and it's done. Red Alliance has a rocket completed. 20 seconds left. Team 107 able to flip up onto Hab level 3 in the last 15 seconds of the match, while 3211 was able to quickly place another cargo into the ship for the Blue Alliance. Bedford Express usually have a very reliable climber. Unfortunately, this time it tipped over. Hopefully there was no damage done. All of the other robots were able to also park at the end of that last match. By 1 point. They were also able to earn 4 ranking points, which is bringing all 3 of those Blue Alliance robots up in the rankings.